What up, friends? Hope you guys are well. Greetings from my village over here in Africa under my favorite tree. In this video I want to talk about isolation and solitude. Most people are scared of isolation or solitude because it often reveals a lot about yourself, and that's scary. I've had to go through periods of isolation and solitude on purpose so that I can understand what I truly want in life, what my goals are, so I can be free from outside opinions. And this is the benefits of solitude and isolation when it comes to success in life and in business. If you don't isolate yourself, if you don't embrace solitude, what's going to happen is you're going to absorb a lot of outside chaos. You're going to absorb a lot of outside opinions and suggestions that are not true to you, that are not true to who you really are. In these periods of isolation and solitude, I've had to connect with the younger version of myself. I'm in my 40s now, mid-40s, and I've actually connected with a 15-year-old version of myself, the 16-year-old version of myself, 25-year-old version of myself. When I was 16, 18, I was in high school. There were times where I would just sit back and dream of the life that I wanted to live. I'm sure you did the same thing. Some of you, especially the ladies, you probably had a dream to get married one day, have a couple of kids, and live a sweet life, a sweet, soft life. But now you look at your life right now, maybe you're in your 20s, 30s, even 40s, and you don't have these things. And you wonder what happened. I'll tell you what happened. You absorbed a lot of bullshit. You absorbed a lot of noise, a lot of chaos, a lot of stupid opinions. See, that's the thing, right? We never want to take full accountability for how our lives have turned out. Instead, we want to push it on other people. For example, a lot of you are blaming the economy, which is fine, because the economy is shit. The economy is terrible, I agree. The economy is terrible everywhere. I'm in Africa right now, the economy is not so good here. There are no jobs here in Africa. But you have to take 100% responsibility of your life and how it turned out. And this is the benefit of isolating from people, so you can reflect on the younger version of yourself and be honest with yourself. A lot of people cannot do that. When you're in a period of isolation and solitude, the 16-year-old version of yourself starts asking questions. Hey, you're 40 now. What happened? Shit. It's scary. I had this reflection where I was reflecting on the 24-year-old version of myself. And I'm 44 now. The 24-year-old version of myself will be very proud of the person I have become. I didn't let that guy down, because I know that guy was ruthlessly, that guy would just mock me. If I was a loser in my 40s, that 24-year-old version of me would have been mocking me right now. I know it. That version of me would be like, man, this guy turned out to be a freaking loser. Oh man, what happened? What happened? So I'm very grateful for solitude and isolation, because at least I was able to go back in time and connect with the younger version of myself. Some of you are not mad enough. You're not pissed off enough yet. That's why you're still having to ask for time off from people. People you don't even respect. Some of you are having to ask for time off from people you don't even respect at your job. Do you think the younger version of you will be proud? No. The younger version of you will be mocking you right now. Getting to a certain level of success requires you to take chances, to take calculated risks, or else the younger version of you is going to make fun of you. One of my favorite things to do is to go to a sauna where there's no music, no gadgets to distract me. Go into the sauna and just sit there for 20 minutes at a time. Just me and my thoughts, reflecting, judging myself. That's the other thing. It's you need to start judging yourself even more. The same way you're judging other losers out there, you should be judging yourself. Or else, life is gonna get you, I promise you. If you guys are ready to win in the game of business, if you're ready to win in the game of life, and you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, I'll put a link in the description of this video. You need to be around like-minded people, because if all these people that you're surrounded with, they're not gonna help you to get to the life that you want. Schedule a call. If you run an HVAC, roofing, or plumbing business in the US, listen to this. Right now, you're probably stuck in the day-to-day calls, scheduling, follow-ups, admin chaos, and it's keeping you tied to your business. But what if your business could run without you? I help home service business owners automate their workflows using AI. From lead intake and booking to customer follow-ups to job management. So instead of working in your business 24/7, you can finally step back and live life on your terms. I'm talking about running your business remotely from a peaceful, lower cost of living country with more freedom and way less stress. And here's the shift you need to make in this new economy. Stop chasing low-ticket, price-sensitive customers and start positioning your services for high-net-worth clients. People who value speed, quality, and reliability and will gladly pay for it. Less volume, higher margins, better clients is what you deserve. If you want to turn your business into something that gives you time, location, and financial freedom, then let's talk. Schedule a call, invest in yourself. I'll also add you to my private membership group of other home service business kings that are already winning with this strategy.